Hi guys, welcome to the channel. My name is Matt Garvey and we are here to talk about making comics. And first and foremost, I apologise for no video last week. I was and still am a bit poorly at the moment. I'm very run down and I have a rotten stinking cold that I just cannot seem to shake. So I'm going to try and do this video in one take before I have a massive coughing fit. But I didn't want a second week to go by without doing a video, because when I didn't do a video last week, one of my buddies online pointed out to me, do you know what, Matt, it's okay to have a break. It's okay to step away from the YouTube channel or a comic project, you know, if you need to. And I thought that was a good idea to do a video, because, you know, you only get one life and you kind of need to look after your mental and physical well-being. So if you are struggling and you're not well, have a break. Okay, I know I bang on about writing every day, that kind of thing. But if you can't do that because you're not feeling well, please stop. And that is a message that I wanted to, you know, put out for everyone, that it's okay to have a break if you're not feeling up to it. But on the flip side of that, you can't take a break from something that you haven't actually started. And what I mean by this is, a couple of weeks ago, I did my first Comic-Con in over 2 years. That was at MCM. I'm going to be doing some videos about that further on. But one of the reasons why I love doing Comic-Cons is the same reason why I love doing this channel, and that's helping people. And the reason why I started this channel was because there was no Comic-Cons for 2 years and I wanted to help people go out there and make their own comics. Now, the problem is I get people coming to my table, which I love, and I love talking about making comics, and people are always surprised that making comics isn't my full-time job. I have a full-time job that I do. You know, I make comics on the side. I also have a family. I've got a wife, a child. I also, you know, do this YouTube channel. And people were struggling to understand where I find the time to do this. And my same answer to them is the answer I'm going to give you guys now, is you have to. You kind of have to make it count. You know, I make sure I get at least 6 hours sleep a night, you know, baby permitting. And apart from that, while I'm awake, I make it count. I work on the YouTube channel and I work on my comics whenever and wherever I can. Now, I know a few people are watching this and going, oh, I'm not ready yet, I'm not ready yet. But you can't take a break from something that you haven't started. So we're in November now, you know, we're coming up to December, and always in December, people always do, you know, their New Year's resolutions. You know, I'm going to do my comic, you know, January 1st, I'm going to sit down, I'm going to start writing. You don't need to wait till January 1st to start it. Start it today. Make your comic today, because if you start writing it today, come January, you would have finished your first draft. So you're already going to be ahead of yourself. So this is something that I wanted to say to you guys as always. You need to make it count. You get one life, and no one lays on their deathbed thinking, do you know what, I should have played more Call of Duty, or I should have binge watched that Netflix series. No, if you really want to make a comic, you will. And while you're awake, you need to make it count. Write down your daily routine and just find a time where you can carve out an hour a day to make, you know, make that dream come true. You know, even though I've been ill the last couple of weeks, I've still managed to write. You know, I've still managed to write, you know, 10 or so pages. Not my most productive of a couple of weeks, I will admit, but I've got an idea for a story that I really want to get out, and I want to get this script done by the end of the month. So I've been chipping away as best I can, and that's something that you guys need to do as well. If you're not well, obviously take a break. Mental and physical well-being is the most important thing, and never give up your sleep to, you know, get a project done. But you can't have a break from something that you haven't started. So that's something that I wanted to say in this video, is get your butts in gear and go and make your comic. Put your joypad down. Don't binge watch a series. Go and write. Go and draw a panel. Go and learn some perspective, okay? You've got one life. Go and make it count. I will see you in the next one. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.